Let us hear a message of gratitude from our DPA candidate and the graduating class representative, Mr. David Marcelo, DPA Loyalty Awardee.
Having the very humble OIC, Office of the University President, Attorney Jessica Jared Desnas, and of course, our guest of honor, Councilor Vincent Ryan.
To our beloved family members, friends, my co-candidates at the graduate school, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon.
Today, as we gather for the schooling ceremony, I stand before you, honored and humbled to be chosen to represent this batch of graduation candidates with one message at the center of everything. My sincere appreciation goes to Congressman Oscar Opa Malamitan and Mayor Dale Alam Malamitan for prioritizing education, especially the University of Caloocan City. Bilang isang proud product ng pamantasan ito, hindi ko lang nakita ang isang simpleng improvement. Nasaksihan ko ang isang makabuluhang pagbabago. Mula sa sinasanang buhay, mainit ang masikip silitaran at kulang ng masalitan. Today, we can proudly say that University of Caloocan City stands as one of the most recognized local institutions in Metro Manila. Not because of its physical development, but because of the quality of education and the opportunities it continues to give. Tulus din po ako nagpapasalamat dahil nilagyan ako ng magkakagawa ng UCC para maging siguro. Tatanawin ko po ito na isang malaking utang na loob habang buhay. Lalo na po sa mga taong unang nagtiwala sa akin yung nagsisimula wala po ako sa lakarang ito. Kila Ma'am Helen Villegas, kila Sir Janet Abore, kila Ma'am Sanagpon, kila Ma'am Bao, kila Ma'am Bader, kila Ma'am Makay, at Dean Prado. Salamat po sa pagsugal sa kakayanan ko 14 years ago. Dean Dr. Melchor Julianes. A resounding round of applause, please. Thank you very much, Dean. Kami po gabi na nagkakablan niyo sa amin. Ang kulit po namin, maraming salamat po. Again, for the Dean, Professors, and PH, thank you for your guidance, patience, and unwavering commitment to shaping not just our knowledge, but our character. You challenge us to think deeper, to strive harder, and to go beyond our limits. More than the lesson. In the classroom, you taught us discipline, integrity, and the value of perseverance. To my family, maraming salamat po. To my Nanay Emma, thank you for your love, guidance, and sacrifices. Sa bawat payo at suporta mo, pati na rin po yung lumalimutan ko sa inyo, narating ko po ang punto ito. To my Kuya Donnie, thank you. You may not express it openly, but I know you have always been there for me. I've always felt your quiet support in your own way. To the love of my life, of course, maraming salamat sa iyong walang sawang pasensya, pagmamahal at suporta. Nandiyan ka sa bawat laban, lalo na sa pagkagusto ng sumuko. Salamat sa pagpili sa aking panalangin. I love you.
To my daughter Yuna, anak, salamat for bringing light and purpose into my life. Ikaw ang inspirasyon ng mama at papa, lahat ng ito ay ginagawa namin para sa iyo.
And colleagues, nakasabay kong nanalo. Maraming salamat sa samahan, suporta, at sa mga alalang sabay nating binuo at mga pangarap ang aabutin. You made this journey lighter and more meaningful. At syempre, sa aking tatay Enyo ngayong hapon, this one is for you po. Kahit wala na po kayo, dala-dala ko ang bawat habiling niyo sa akin. Sana kahit paano ay nabawasan ko kahit isa ang mga pangarap na naiwan niyo para sa akin. Alam kong sa bulwagang ito, ang kwento ko ay isa lamang sa napakaraming kwento ng sakripisyo, laban, pag-asa at tagumpay. Bawat isa sa atin ay may sarili-sariling pinagdadaanan. Mamuyan, pagtutulda, at pagkakataong gusto na namin sumuko, pero pinili pa rin namin lumaban. Kaya naman, batchmate at lahat ng taong naririto, pakipalakpakan po namin ang ating sarili. Hindi lamang para sa tagumpay na ito, kundi para sa bawat araw na pinili natin bumangon at magpatuloy. Today is not just about recognition. It is about gratitude. Gratitude for the journey, for the struggle, and for the people who made this moment possible. Mabuhay ang Batch 2026. Maraming salamat.